ready to supercharge your YouTube game by connecting it to the power of automation. Today, we're diving into how to connect YouTube to N8n, letting you automate everything from uploading videos to managing comments. First, create a new workflow in N8n. You'll need a trigger node to start your workflow. Add a YouTube node to interact with the YouTube API. Now, let's configure the YouTube node. The most important thing you need is credentials. Create new credentials for YouTube. N8n needs access to your YouTube account. To do this, it will request permission to access your information. This will take you to Google, where you'll need to choose the Google account associated with your YouTube channel and grant N8n the necessary permissions. Don't worry, you can revoke these permissions at any time. Back in N8n, with the credentials set up, you can now choose the operation you want to perform, such as uploading a video, getting video details, managing playlists, or even responding to comments. Configure the node with the specifics of your desired action. For example, if uploading a video, specify the video file, title, description, and privacy settings. Once configured, connect this node to other nodes to build powerful automated workflows, like sending a Slack notification after a successful upload. Finally, execute your workflow to see the magic happen. N8n will handle the interaction with YouTube, automating the tasks you've defined, and that's it. You've successfully connected YouTube to N8n.